Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ethiopia on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Ethiopian government site. Here, if you want to know more about that, what this visa is and what it lets you to do, you can have all the information here. If you go to information, okay, what are the documents you need and processing time, all such information, and you can definitely how to check your visa status. All the information is available here. Okay, all right. Now, once you are ready, you can always go to the home page and tap on apply now. So it's gonna be done in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stages, because after 6 stage you have to pay also. Okay, so we select a visa type. So I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case. Visa validity, single entry 30 days, $62. You need to agree to terms and conditions. Go for next. Arrival date, so let's say I put date as like May 30. Departure country, you do it as per your own case guys. I'm just doing a sample. So I just put some sample here. Okay, address in Ethiopia, accommodation type, so hotel, I have selected name, city and all. These are of course sample values, but when you do it as per your own case. Now your information, given name, surname and citizenship. So I've just put some sample. Now country of birth, like these pieces of information, whatever you enter, verify it at least 2 times and make sure they match with your passport. You don't want any issue later, right? I put more sample values. All these you should match with your passport. Okay, now email address, phone number, occupations, and your address. So this I'm gonna put sample, and then I'm gonna tap on next, and I'm gonna see you guys. Next, it is asking your passport information. Okay, so you need to select your passport type. Most people will have ordinary. Passport number, issue date, expiry, issuing country and authority. Make sure it matches with your passport. Next is going to be review, and after that attachments they will ask your photo, passport and any other thing that is required based on your circumstances that you need to upload. So after reviewing it, this is the final page we reached, where you need to upload like your passport copy and photo they have asked, and then you submit and then you pay the fee. Of course I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.